When we think about deer damage around the landscape or garden, it's usually associated with plants that have been eaten or trampled. But there's another type of damage that happens to young trees, and it occurs each fall. In today's video, I'm going to show you what that damage looks like and a simple and inexpensive way to protect those young trees. So this is damage caused by male deer when they rub their antlers along the trunk of a tree. It's called rutting, and it typically happens between September and November during the mating season on trunks with a diameter of 1 to 4 inches, and especially with smooth bark. And they also do it to mark their territory because it is mating season and they want to let the female deer know that they're around. Now the problem is, as this bark is removed, there's a nutrient transport system underneath called the cambium layer. So all the water nutrients are passing through that cambium layer, and if that's removed all the way around the trunk, there's no way for this plant to survive, so it will die. Now, you can buy products to protect this trunk, whether you wrap it around or you stack them, and those work okay, but they can add up in price, and they come in fixed sizes oftentimes, so they're not that flexible. Or you could just make your own perimeter barrier with a simple fencing system that works just fine as well. Now, for simplicity and convenience, I found that this corrugated drainage tubing is a great option that can be used year after year. It costs about $9 and it's a 10-foot length, so that will serve about 3 of your trees, and it's so easy to work with. All you need is a tape measure, a marking pen, and a saw that's suitable for cutting plastic. The first step is to measure the height from the ground up to the first set of branches and mark the length to make the cut. With a hacksaw, cut across the tubing at the appropriate length. Then use the colored stripe to guide your long cut. Now, carefully insert the shield around the trunk, being careful so as not to damage the bark as you install it. By winter, you can remove the shields, but just be ready to have them close at hand by next fall when you'll need to install them again.